Hey everybody, welcome to the Hall Homestead. Today I gotta work on this chainsaw. We're looking into buying some new property, and there's a tree fell in one of the driveways, so I need to get it cut up so they can do like a soil test for putting in a septic tank. And to do that, they're going to need to dig a hole. They got to get a backhoe up in there and to do the digging and get the soil sample and then fill it back up. But that tree is blocking the way. I have this chainsaw here. I'll give you a little backstory on it. I bought it to clear up a tree that had fallen probably 7-8 years ago. I cut it up pretty good, and I was cutting a branch, and it picked up. It was a pretty big branch. It was about like that thick, and I was cutting it, and it picked it up and threw it at my leg, and it hurt really bad. I haven't touched this thing since because I'm scared of it, but I need to get over that fear, and I need to learn how to work on these. So this is going to be a testament to, how do you pronounce that? Poulan? I don't know, but it's going to be a test of their brand name. Will I be able to fire this thing up after it's been sitting idle for 7 or 8 years? Motors aren't supposed to sit idle for long amounts of time. If it does that, it will ruin the motor. I mean, I'm not a gearhead or anything, but at least I know that much. But we'll see if I can get this thing fired up. If I can't, bad on me. If I can, I'll endorse this brand name of chainsaw. All right, so the gas tank is down here on the bottom. See what surprise waits in here. It looks empty. Manual says it needs 3.2 ounces per gallon of gasoline. There's that. There's Mr. Gasoline bottle. Put a lid on this, so because otherwise I'm going to spill it. Because I got a lot of workspace here. Try to open this. Stop knocking my phone off. Dump Mr. 3.2 ounces of the 2-cycle engine oil in here. Ooh, blue. I believe they make it blue so you know that you don't want to put this in your other engines. The ones that keep the oil and the gasoline separate, you ruin them. Shook this up a little bit. Look at the gas tank. Fill it. I'm just going to put like a little bit of gas in there. I'm going to put a little of this cleaner in here. At the store, they made me do an age test for this. She accidentally said it was not allowed, so I had to do another transaction on it. But that's enough. All these stupid safety features for these gas cans make it just harder to pour, and it spills more on you. What a waste. Shut that down. Alright. I am going to tighten this chain up a little bit before I do try to start it. It doesn't look like it's too hard. Looks like this unlocks it. Loosen knob 1 turn this way. 1.5 turn. So here's a half. 1.5. It said turn the wheel this way to tighten the chain. Ooh, look at that. It's like magic. That's special. And tighten it back. Yes. Wait. Tighten knob. Alright. I'm going to turn it back there. That was easy enough. The cops are here to make sure that I do the job right. Can I help you, officer?
No. Sorry, do I have to write you a ticket or something?
If you think you're man enough. This one's been asking me about the chainsaw all day long. Yeah, and his younger brother Neb. Where's the chainsaw? What color is it? Blah 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 blah. So
I know where the chainsaw is. I actually saw it before.
It's not good.
I've only seen its case before.
He knows where it's stored.
In the barn.
Kind of scared.
I went out in the barn to do stuff, and I always look at that chainsaw. I finally figured out that.
Alright, I got a little handy dandy guide to how to start it. Did step 1. Did almost step 2. I didn't put the bar oil in there yet. I just wanted to. That's just for the oil in the chain. Reset the chain brake. Pull back. So I guess it's like that. If it was like that. That's reset. Prime it 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's supposed to fill up with fuel. If not, we'll come back to it. Here's a full choke. And this thing pulls out. Don't put your hand on the trigger. There's his foot in there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it was supposed to fill up. Alright, let's try this again. 7, 8 years. Whoa! So, push the choke in, it tried to start. How about that? That is pretty amazing. I'm like really shocked that started up. I was pretty sure that the primer needed to be full, that little primer button needed to be full of gas for it to actually work, and it wasn't full. I mean, it's been dry so long, I just had to pump it through a few times. I'll put the bar oil in there and we'll test this thing out. I guess that's a chain oil, bar or chain oil. The bar is this thing. Can't do it both hands. What has the words in it, the chain's what goes on it. So bar and chain oil. Wow, cool. I don't have to buy a new chainsaw.
You're recording.
Yes. Do something cute.
He's going to send this to the whole world.
You're going to be sent out to the whole worldwide Neb. You're going to be on the worldwide Neb. What do you want to say? What's tomorrow?
My birthday.
You gotta say it the right way, right?
Birthday.
No, you gotta say it the right way.
My birthday.
No, you got like the song.
Happy birthday.
No. How do you say it's your birthday? Like
It's
I like.
your birthday.
No, like what you've been saying the whole time, every day.
In the morning, it's my birthday.
Yeah. How do you say it?
Spell?
Oh my gosh. It's my birthday. You gonna say it?
It's my birthday.
Oh my gosh.
What? At least I said it.
Okay. Put some Mr. Chain and bar oil in here. I have some older stuff, but since I just got this thing up and running, I'm just gonna put some stuff in there that I just bought. If it all goes good, I'll use some of the old one. It's kind of empty. Come here, Mr. Funnel. Boop, 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 boop. Make sure this is the right place. I always like double, triple check, quadruple check, because I'm an idiot and I like putting the wrong thing in the wrong thing. So it's such a beautiful green. Woo! It looks like pea.
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
Cut that out.
Nope, it's going in. I'm not a physician or anything, but if your pee is like stringy like that, you might want to go see a doctor. I'm going to make a mess. Go down a little bit. Yeah. I think I have an unsuspecting victim. I'm not going to do anything major here, just going to do a small tree because, like I said, I am scared of this thing. It will kick stuff at you and you can get hurt really bad with them. And I don't have all the proper protective gear and stuff. So I'm going to go get me those pants. They're supposed to, like, if you like start cutting your leg up, it's going to bind it up and stop from totally severing your leg and maybe saving your life. But I think this tree is small enough that I think I can handle it. All right, there's been a slight change of plans since the septic tank people are going to be out here tomorrow to dig the hole. We just came over here and we're going to cut this down right now. So there's the culprit. I'm going to cut it down. I got my wife here in case I chop off my leg. Maybe we can like save my life before I die or bleed out, and pray for me.
You want a belt? Okay.
Wearing a belt.
I might need that as a tourniquet. And it's not septic people, it's soil testers.
Soil testers for the septic. More manly?
Yes. You're gonna hurt yourself.
All right, so I made it. If anybody asks me what kind of chainsaw to buy, Poulan or Pro whatever. I'm just a computer geek. All the men in the comments can correct me or however, but yeah, 7 or 8 years in the barn. Started right up after I got the gas in the primer. I'm really happy that I don't have to buy another chainsaw. I know I've said it, but these things aren't cheap. So they should be able to get up here on this hill on where we're going to be putting the house, and dig a hole and do the testing so we can get a septic tank for when we close and get our house moved over here. Until next time, friends, say a prayer for my family, and we definitely say prayers for you.